Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a video on this. Now this is called the Dura Mini, and basically what it does is it turns any surface into a speaker. Now I'm not really 100% sure how this works, but it does work and it's really cool. You may have seen these on TikTok, and these accounts are selling them for like 40 quid. They're just drop shippers. I got this for £11 including postage from AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, so it's in a fairly nice box, but yeah, let's get into it. So it's got a silver one on the box, but you open it, you see it's black. Then it's got this little protective thing on the bottom. If you peel it off, that's like a little sticky pad underneath, which you then stick to things. And if we go into the bottom of the box, there's a really cheaply made USB-C cable, which I'm not going to bother using. There is the instructions, which if you look in here, it says power on and off of its default Bluetooth mode, and when power on, there's a voice indication. When it's low battery, you can recharge it. This makes no sense. You can tell it's translated, but it tells you like when it's charging, the blue LED and stuff like that. It's basically saying it's USB-C, but don't use it with a fast charger. Tips: before starting, peel off the protective film and the stick pad on the bottom of the speaker and place the speaker onto the surface of any hollow objects, using the nail/pin to assist lanyard through the hole. Right. Then in here we've got a little bag to put the speaker in to avoid damaging it. Put it like that. So yeah, you can just put the speaker into the bag like that and then do it up. Speaker's in there. And it has this little thing here, which is like these little suction cups, and you stick that onto the bottom, but you don't need to do that. Obviously the sticky pad on here could wear out over time, but then this has got a 3M thing on it, so you can still stick that on if you wear this out. But I'd say it probably wouldn't work as well. It wouldn't stick to as many things if you have this on. I mean, obviously it would still stick to like glass, but say if you wanted to stick it to like your wall, it doesn't stick. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. And then there's also this little lanyard thing, which you can attach to it, but I'm not going to bother using that. So we're going to turn it on now, and I will connect it to my phone. So I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, pair new device, and I'll just turn it on. That sounds like the Windows 10, one of the Windows 10 sounds. We'll click NY168 on here. Pair. So it's connected. And what I'll do is I'll show you this working on a few things in this video, and I'll make a dedicated video of me walking around, but just my house, just sticking it to random things. And obviously in these videos, the full YouTube videos, I can't use copyrighted music because otherwise my video might get taken down. But I'll do some YouTube shorts of me doing it with copyrighted songs, and you guys can comment songs you want me to try it with and what objects you want me to try it with. So yeah, if you're interested in that, go look at my YouTube shorts and I'll do stuff on there. Peel this thing off the bottom. I'll search for Scarlet Fire, which if you've seen my videos before, you know that's a non-copyright song. So that's about halfway up, and the first thing I'm going to try it on is this box that the speaker came in. So you can hear it at the minute, well, barely hear it. So you see it's made this little box a speaker. So if I turn it up all the way. Now obviously it doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good, but it works. Take it off. You can hear it. I'll turn it all the way up now. So that's it all the way up with nothing stuck onto it. I stick the box onto it. It literally moves. I'm going to try pulling my mouse pad up and sticking it on my desk. I want to see how it sounds if I stick it onto my phone. It doesn't sound that good. Oh, it just vibrates on the bottom of the glass. What if I stick it to the top? Okay, that doesn't sound good at all. my PC. It's on its own, on the PC. On my monitor, probably a bit off on the back. And as a last one for this video, I'm going to stick it on my wardrobe door. And oh, the song's just finished. Go back. So I'm going to stick it onto my door. That makes a big difference. I'll try it on the wall. And as a last one for the video, I'm going to try it on the ceiling. That sounds really good actually. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Come back for the next video, which should be posted fairly similar to this one, where I'm going to just stick it on random things in the house, and also come back for my YouTube shorts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys found it helpful. Hope you guys come back for another video.